Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to quickly welcome you to the review of the lost code. This is a brand new method to make some money online without actually using any paid traffic, without setting aside a massive amount of dollars just to be able to get your business up and running. Very newbie friendly, and this is probably one of the best ways that I've had success with in terms of making some money online. So basically what I'm going to quickly go through with you in this review is what this method's all about. Also, I'm giving away some massive bonuses. I'm giving about $4,000 worth of bonuses away to you guys if you do decide to take on the lost code and venture into that. And I will run those through you. And also, I'm going to actually go through the product. I always buy what I promote. I will be absolutely doing a disservice to you if I didn't do that, because how would I know, obviously, to promote something and blindly and not actually purchase and know what it's actually specifically about? So just quickly going through, this is the sales page here. This is where you will be actually purchasing the lost code. So you'll be looking here. This is the journey. The journey to the lost code is basically starting out your journey online. This is perfect for people that are beginning or struggling to make some money online. So if you're already doing some business online, you're actually struggling to make that sale, this is the method that will get you over the hump. So, and obviously there's no websites or techie stuff allowed, very newbie friendly, very simple, and you'd be surprised at the results you'll get. New original strategies. Guys, it only takes literally 15 to 20 minutes to set up. Very easy to do, and you get free traffic on demand. So you just have to plug in and go. And this is just amazing. And if you are running a business as well, you can absolutely use this strategy to promote your business. And this could be just a missing piece going along with it. So as you can see, they actually developed this method. It has some great success. So this is just on every single day. So they've made here $1,900. The day before, they made some $560, $1,200, $1,900. So this is just a rocketing system. And from a period between just like 7 days, $11,000. So it's very, very scalable. You can take it as far as you want it. Guys, you can get these at the best price, and usually people actually charge probably nearly like $1,000 to actually get this method. These guys have actually usually have it at a very discounted price because they know how hard it is to get started at a $97. But at the moment, they're running an early bird special for just $13. Like $13 one time will be able to help your business get off the ground, or even just simply start allowing you to start making money online. Just quickly, so the lost code is a brand new method for making tiny amounts of time and money and turning into a big daily profit. The lost code is how the top marketers multiply their profits while working in less time, and you've never seen anything like this before, guys. With the lost code, you can make money as soon as today with a simple tweak that literally nobody is using. So if you are using a lot of Facebook groups, for example, guys, you'd be able to move away from that and really expand on the amount of people that can hit your business. And this method is new, fast, and you won't have to take a dime out of your pocket for traffic. Pure free traffic sources coming your way. So obviously these are some of the results. These are the guys that actually develop it, and they've actually been doing a lot of traveling because of the success of this product. So you can watch this, like these payments, like $200 time payments going through here. And a lot of the reasons why people don't expose this, because obviously they want to keep it to themselves and have that success, and without obviously the competition coming at them. So these guys are actually offering it for pennies on the dollar. So yeah, and then what you're going to get here, you're going to get step-by-step video training of actually how to use the product. And so you won't need an email list, a product, or any prior experience to make money. They'll show you the simple steps to get big results as quickly as possible. And anyone can use this as fast as they want and scale it up. And this method can actually bank up to $30,000 a single day. Like $30,000, guys, just from a $13 investment. And what you'll get access to a bunch of case studies. So Brendan, who actually creates the product, he's actually going to go through everything with you on this product and how you can actually scale this to 10 times the result of what you're currently experiencing. And that includes taking your business to the next level. And right now it's at a massive discount. So they didn't want to release this to the public. So we plan to actually want to charge, like I said, it's going to charge $1,000 to actually access this. But guys, they really wanted to provide something new and allow you to be able to do this. So they can actually still make this a high ticket. So it's actually like available for a limited time. So yeah, get a massive discount, guys. This is usually like $1,000 and you're getting it for $13. So please, I would definitely take the initiative and go for it. And I'm going to be giving you some massive bonuses as well. So you'll be getting these for free. You're going to get $2,000 in 48 hours case study of video training. You're going to get the emergency cash booster. In this bonus, you're going to get a proven fast cash generating methods that work like clockwork to generate quick money. Traffic power pack. Traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. So you'll get 4 powerful traffic methods with video training, templates, and step-by-step instructions. So guys, you're already getting a massive amount of value already. So you're getting like $1,700 and plus you're getting $4,000 worth of bonuses from me. And guys, if you don't make money with the lost code, we're going to give you a refund. So if you're not going to get any results in 30 days, you can get a refund, which is backed by the money back 100% satisfaction guarantee. And you won't even have to worry about that because you will make money with this code. So get it with no risk. Click here for an instant access. Go get it for today for just $13, guys. And so what you're going to get today, the lost code includes step-by-step training, real-world value of $97. Brennan's 41K lost code case study worth $197. The bonus worth $500. Bonus 2 worth $400. And bonus 3 is worth $800. So guys, you'll get all this just for $13. So just quickly going into the actual product itself. All right, so this is what you're going to get access to. And you're going to get access to the lost code. You're going to get access to the case study and audition money methods, simple little promos. You'll be able to learn how to get your very own webinar and simple little traffic methods as well. So it's very simple, and these guys actually walk through step by step, and they actually show you how to actually generate free traffic from YouTube using a specific method they do. We know how hard it is on YouTube. It's very difficult. These guys show you how to get viral traffic very quickly and start getting massive views and a massive amount of subscribers. Get cheap quality traffic. This is actually a paid method where you can actually get traffic for pennies on the dollar if you've got a loud budget, and you'll get the 3 underground traffic sources as part of your bonus right here. And if you do, and you are looking to actually do a little bit of email marketing and capture your customers, they actually provide you a list building hack by using these traffic methods. So guys, that's the lost code. And I'm going to actually run through the bonuses with you right now on what I'm going to give you. You'll get access to this page. So I'm going to quickly run this through with you. So you're going to get 8 steps to free traffic. I'm going to provide you guys. This is usually worth about $500 worth of value. Access to the piggy banks cash system traffic. So this is worth around about $300. Fusion $100 day method. So I'm going to give you this, you'll get the link here, and this is the actual access to the product. 3-step profit machines. This was probably worth around about $6.97. The quantum-free traffic method. Guys, this adds real world value around about, so you'll be able to generate more free traffic basically with the lost code to really take it to the next level. And this is probably worth around about $497. And bare knuckle marketing. This guy Aiden's great. This is what I personally paid for from him, and like I'm really looking excited to share this with you guys. So also, you're going to get the bonus free traffic training. You're going to get 5 massive methods of free training that I'm going to give you for nothing. Guys, this here alone is worth around about $1,500. So these are like new 5 underground methods of generating free traffic. And there are also, I'm going to give you a couple of links to paid sources like solo ad groups, where you'll be able to access quality traffic as well if you want paid targeted. But right now, you're getting all these free traffic, underground traffic methods for close to just in bonuses worth around about $4,000. I'm giving it free for you today, you guys, if you take advantage of the $13 investment with the lost code on top of what they give you. So guys, you're getting $6,000 worth of bonuses. So guys, jump on the lost code. I've got to click the button below here, access your early bird and specials, and take advantage of this special price today of just $12.95.